Unveiling the Universe, the Legacy of the Kepler Space Telescope. Beyond Earth's sky, in the infinite expanse, lies a universe of secrets. The Kepler Space Telescope probes these depths, uncovering celestial wonders. Launched in 2009, Kepler's mission was simple: stimulate mankind's understanding of our place in the cosmos by identifying planets beyond our solar system. With a digital camera that boasts 95 megapixels, Kepler's precision has allowed it to identify over 2,600 exoplanets, drastically expanding our interstellar map. Kepler's algorithm, transit method, measures minute decreases in starlight, highlighting shadowy figures crossing the star's path, potential planets orbiting a distant sun. Through its revolutionary discoveries, Kepler has redefined our view of the galaxy, a universe not of solitude, but of thriving interstellar communities. Kepler's mission ended in 2018, but its legacy lives on. It has paved the way for future explorations. Our cosmic journey continues.